Hi, I'm Nehemiah. In this video, we'll be looking at verb duration. What do we mean by the term verb duration? Verb duration simply refers to how long a state or action lasts. I take that again. Verb duration simply refers to how long a state or an action lasts. Let me write that down. So verb duration is how long. Let's write it on this pen. Verb duration. Verb duration is simply how long a state or an action lasts. So verb duration is simply how long a state or an action lasts. Based on the tempo of the action, when we mean the word tempo, which is talking about the speed, the pace, the speed or the pace, the speed or the pace of the action or motion or activities. So, verb duration is simply how long a state or action lasts. Now, based on the tempo of the verb, the speed or the pace of the action or motion or activities. Now, as we look at these concepts, we want to know that verb duration is divided into two. So, verb duration is divided into two based on the tempo, which is the speed, which is the pace of the action or motion, of course, activities. Now, verb duration is divided into instantaneous verb and long duration verb. Now, what's the difference between instantaneous verb duration or instantaneous verb and long duration verb? The difference is in the time of execution of action. I take that again. The difference between instantaneous verb and long duration verb is the time of execution of the action. Let's go to the first one, instantaneous verb. So what's an instantaneous verb? Now, instantaneous verb are verbs that usually occurs in an instant. Very simple definition. Instantaneous verb are verb that usually occurs in an instant. For example, kick, leap, jump, drop, hit, smash, and a lot of those. Any verb that occurs at an instant is known as instantaneous verb. You can also have nod and a lot of it. I take that again. Any verb that occurs at an instant is known as instantaneous verb. So let's look for the long duration verb. Now, for the long duration verb, I need a space. Let's come up here. For the long duration verb, this verb usually take a longer period of time for its execution. Long duration verb takes an extended or a longer period of time for its execution. For instance, watch, cook, walk, approach. This verb usually takes a longer period of time for its execution. Now, the question is,